How to upload high quality photos and videos to your Facebook story. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about uploading high quality HD photos or 4K videos to your Facebook story from your iPhone or Android device. So follow the simple steps. First of all, open your Facebook application or your Facebook Lite application, whichever you're using. Then make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, scroll down and then go to Settings and Privacy and then tap on Settings. From the menu that appears, scroll down and go to Media that you will find in the Preference section below the language and region. Once you do that, you will see this option of photo quality and you will get three different options of high, medium, and low. Select the option of high. Now in the video quality, tap on Optimized. You can also set the settings for autoplay, sounds, and data saver. And if the highest quality option is available, tap on that as well. And after adjusting these settings, you should be able to upload high quality contents to your Facebook story. So this was all about it. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.